In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your camera not working in Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might be using your camera on Discord or for like a work meeting or anything like that, but for some reason, it's not working. You've checked to see if your camera is on, checked to see if it's connected, and it's all connected, but it might not be working. That's obviously really frustrating. So to test it, what you can do is go to search on the bottom, type in camera, and then you can go to manage cameras in your settings. Now you can add a network camera, but what you want to do is make sure that your camera is connected. So my camera is this cam link right here. Now it can preview, it can preview if you want to. You can troubleshoot it or you can disable it. Now the reason it's not working for me is because I'm recording right now on OBS, but basically it shouldn't say the app is currently using the camera right now. It's saying that for me because obviously I have OBS open, but basically otherwise it would show right here. And if it's not working, what you can do is press reset default camera settings, which brings everything to stock, and then you should be good to go after that. However, if that's still not working, you can exit out of this, go to search again, then type in device manager. And once you press device manager, you're going to see everything that's connected to, your PC. So you can go to cameras right here, find the one that you want. So in my case, it's the Camlink 4K. Go ahead and right click on it and then press update driver. You can search automatically for drivers. And then if you need an update, it's going to, it's going to let you know if you need an update or not. But right now I have the best driver installed for my thing. So obviously it's working for me. But that's one thing to check as well. And if all of that doesn't work, what I'd recommend is literally it could be something as simple as just switching your port, changing it from one USB port on your PC and switching it to another one and seeing if that works as well. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.